Don't think of unpleasant things before bed. The 5-minute Bed Zazen reset for mindful sleep is very helpful. Let's now dive deep into a simple yet profound practice, the art of resetting your mind before sleep. Zen wisdom tells us, don't think of unpleasant things right before bed. Why? Because your last thoughts of the day echo in your dreams and shape your mindset for tomorrow. We're going to explore how a 5-minute Bed Zazen meditation can help you reset, unwind, and enter a state of peaceful sleep. This is your opportunity to clear the mental clutter and create the ultimate Zen sleep routine. Ready to transform your nights? We all have nights when we cannot sleep. When we are troubled by unpleasant thoughts or plagued by anxieties, or unable to alleviate our worries. This is the perfect time to practice Zazen, the practice that involves sitting typically cross-legged with an erect spine, and focusing the mind either on the breath, a paradoxical question or statement used in Zen, or simply on being present without judgment. The quiet practice of Zazen releases in the brain the neurotransmitter serotonin, which functions as a mood stabilizer and has shown to be effective in countering depression. Zazen can provide the therapeutic effect of boosting serotonin to the brain without the need to take medicine. Once the brain is in a relaxed state, your blood vessels also gradually relax. This improves your blood flow. This spreads warmth throughout your body. With your mental haze cleared and your body warmed, you will naturally become sleepy. When you get into bed, let go of whatever happened to you since waking up that morning, and be thankful for having made it through another day. When you wake up the next morning, you will feel renewed. Do not underestimate the effect of 5 minutes of Zazen before you go to sleep. Why do unpleasant thoughts sabotage your sleep? Let's start by understanding why dwelling on unpleasant thoughts before bed can sabotage your sleep. Imagine your mind is like a garden. If you plant the seeds of worry, anxiety, or stress right before you sleep, they'll grow and manifest as restless dreams, shallow sleep, and a scattered mindset when you wake up. On the other hand, planting seeds of calmness and clarity allows you to wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to embrace the new day. It's a simple but powerful shift, moving from a mental space of chaos to one of tranquility before you drift off. Picture your mind as a snow globe. Right now, all the unpleasant thoughts are like shaken snowflakes, swirling around in your head. By practicing Bed Zazen, we let those flakes gently settle, leaving your mind clear and still. Now, let's get into the heart of this practice, Bed Zazen. You might be familiar with Zazen, the seated meditation practice central to Zen. Bed Zazen is a simplified, calming version you can practice right before sleep. In just 5 minutes, you can reset your mind, release any lingering worries, and set yourself up for deep, restorative sleep. Here is step-by-step Bed Zazen practice. 1. Lie down mindfully. As you lay in bed, align your body in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, your jaw, and allow your breath to flow naturally. 2. Focus on your breath. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs fill up, then exhale slowly, letting go of tension. 3. Scan your body. With each breath, gently scan your body from head to toe. Release any tightness or stress you find along the way. 4. Clear your mind. If any thoughts arise, whether they're unpleasant or neutral, acknowledge them, then let them drift away like clouds passing through the sky. 5. Anchor in stillness. Finally, settle into a space of stillness. Let your body and mind align, allowing peace to wash over you. Stay in this moment for a few breaths before slowly letting yourself fall asleep. Think of Bed Zazen as wiping the slate clean. Your mind is like a chalkboard, covered with the scribbles of the day's worries, tasks, and anxieties. Bed Zazen is your eraser. It clears those scribbles, giving you a clean slate for a new day. Reset your mind for tomorrow's success. One of the greatest benefits of practicing Bed Zazen is that it doesn't just improve your sleep, it sets the tone for your next day. Sleep is the body's natural reset button, but by adding a mindful practice like Bed Zazen, you elevate that reset to a whole new level. With a calm mind, your brain gets the chance to process the day's events without being overwhelmed by negative emotions. You'll wake up feeling clearer, more focused, and with a sense of inner calm. This is your Zen prescription for beginning each day with renewed energy and purpose. Think of your mind like a smartphone. We're constantly running apps, our thoughts, throughout the day. Bed Zazen is like closing all the apps before you sleep, clearing the RAM so you wake up refreshed and ready to operate at full capacity. Make Bed Zazen a habit. Now that you've experienced the benefits of Bed Zazen, the key is consistency. Zen practice isn't about perfection, it's about showing up, day after day, and dedicating time to reset your mind. Bed Zazen may take 5 minutes, but over time, it becomes an anchor for your evenings, guiding you into restful sleep no matter how stressful your day was. Set aside this time as part of your nightly routine. Whether your mind is racing with worry or calm and peaceful, practicing Bed Zazen will help you create mental clarity before bed and foster the conditions for deep, rejuvenating sleep. Start by setting a reminder on your phone to practice Bed Zazen every night before bed. Even when you're tired or overwhelmed, just 5 minutes can make a world of difference. Remember, peaceful sleep doesn't come from wishful thinking, it comes from mindful preparation. By incorporating Bed Zazen into your routine, you're taking control of your mental state, ensuring your sleep is restorative, and waking up each day with clarity and purpose. So tonight, as you lay down to sleep, don't dwell on unpleasant things, practice your 5-minute Bed Zazen and allow your mind to reset, rejuvenate, and restore. Thank you for joining today's session. Embrace the power of Bed Zazen and remember that your sleep is a sacred part of your Zen journey. This simple 5-minute practice can transform your nights and elevate